To create this animation, go to canva.com. Click to video. Select YouTube video. First, change the background color to black. Add a text. Make it capital character. Select Sensation font. Duplicate this. Make it capitalize characters. Make it bold text. Duplicate this and write the product description or benefits. Add your company logo. I'm selecting a demo logo. Search for the tea leaf. Add this. Change the position to backward. Now select this. Add your product. Duplicate the page from here. Add another product details. Change the background color to the product flavor color or a different and unique color. Again, duplicate the page and do the same thing for the rest of the products you have. Now, click here to add transition. Select the flow transition with 1.3 seconds duration. Apply to all pages. Set the page timing to 2.4 seconds and apply it to all pages. And here is the result. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.